Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and as you can see, for all of my people a part of the family already, I'm a ginger again. It is by far my absolute favorite hair color that I've tried over all time. Make sure to keep watching. Make sure you check down in that description box if this is something that you would love to try as well. This is what we do over here. You know that. If you want to see how I achieve this look without a frontal, without glue, and within a budget, you know what to do. Make sure to keep watching, okay? Let's get started with the install. Okay, y'all, so we are done with the install, and as you can see, I am loving this color. I've tried ginger color, Cajun spice, colored hair throughout my videos if you're familiar with my channel, and it's my absolute favorite color to try. I wish I could wear it every single day, but I love this wig. If you are familiar with my wig reviews and my wig install videos, you already know that I am partial and biased to frontal wigs as a member of the Peanut Head gang, you know, because I like to feel a little snug fit from ear to ear. I like to feel like it's secured, and a lot of wigs come larger in size, so I prefer frontals, but I do have to say with an elastic band, which was super cool. It came with adjustable straps as well, and I did try it out in the middle part for the first time just to see how it would turn out, and I gotta say it does feel a lot more secure when I do place it in a position to be a side part. And I love that, because it's not that I'm against closure wigs, but I just always want that little extra piece of security with me for my head shape and size. This has to be one of my favorite closure wigs that I have tried on with you guys and that I have owned. So I would definitely say the security of this wig definitely adds to one of my favorite things about it. The hair is nice and luscious, nothing too crazy. I did add some mousse to this. I did add a little bit of serum to it, but nothing too crazy, because I just wanted to see what it would feel like straight out of the pack with a couple sprays of water and leave-in conditioners, because this to me fits right into a everyday wear type of situation. It is glam to me. As you can see from my install, it did not really take that much to install this wig, and that's why I was really excited to share it with you guys, because I know that you're always watching trying to see, okay, can I spend a little coin on this? Is it going to take me too much time? Because we don't want to add too much time. Of course, you know, I had to be my extra self. I did go ahead and pluck along the hairlines, as you can see, before I installed the wig the first time. And that's just my way of kind of customizing it to my hairline. But outside of that, I did not bleach it. I did not, you know, add any extra color to it or anything like that. All I did was pluck a few hairs out of the hairline, and then of course I did add my EBIN lace tint to the front of the hairline. That was pretty much all I had to add to it. So if you're asking me if this is something I would definitely recommend to you guys, absolutely, for sure. I'm going to hold on to this one, of course, just for a little bit longer, just to see how it holds up. Whether it's synthetic or human hair, you always want to see the longevity of the wig that you're spending your coin on. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same. But you know what? I've got to say, after a couple more wears and a little bit of moving around of this particular wig, I think I've definitely gotten a lot more comfortable with wearing this particular closure glueless wig. If you want any more details on the length, the color, where I got it from, and how you can get it for a discount, make sure to click on the description box to expand it, and you'll see everything you need right down there. As always, guys, thank you for clicking play on this video. I'm going to give you guys a couple of angles on this wig install, and I'll be waiting for you guys as always in the comment section. And of course, I will meet you right here, same place, next time. Peace out.